What's up guys, this is York for Tomtop.com, and today I'll bring you these magic light panels from Tangram. And they are much more like a decorational light panels which can provide your house with a more colorful light. Next I will unbox it and see what we got in this box. First we got these stickers. Altogether we have 9 of them, and you can combine them to any shape as you like. I will demonstrate later. Power supply, power adapter, and these 2 extra adapters. The white one is used for your app control. They can be voice controlled by using this black adapter, remote control. And next we have this kind of tiny chips. You see, with these chips you can connect the 2 panels into a whole one. Based on your requirements, you can either choose the app control adapter or the voice control adapter. So firstly, I will demonstrate the app control adapter. You see? So what if I want to connect 2 of them? So this comes our little chip I mentioned before. When using this chip, you also need to make sure that the pre-note needs to be inserted to the original panel, which is this one, and the next tip needs to be inserted to your next panel. Since I have told you that this white adapter is controlled by your app, so now I will demonstrate you how to download the app and how to control it by the app. In the user manual, we can find a QR code printed on the manual. So let's scan it and download this app for our magic panels. Now we have already downloaded the app Magic LED, so let's open it. And it will automatically searching the devices nearby. So let's find Tangram. You see the first one? You see, it is successfully connected. And in this interface, we can change color like this. Pay attention to our panel. Also, we have many, color changing modes for us to choose. Altogether, we have 200 modes available. You see, this is the mode 1. The color is slowly changed from one to another. And this is mode 200. It shows like this. So you can choose one you like in these 200 modes. As I mentioned before, we also have a sound control mode. So let's have a try of this mode. But as we speak louder, the panel will light according to your sound. To make it more direct, we can applause and we can, add a background music to see how it performs. And don't forget the stickers. We can use them to stick our panels to your wall or to any, a smooth surface. And maybe two or three of them you can stick it to a wall. So this is pretty much about these magical light panels. So if you want to be a DJ or you want your house to be more colorful or bright, then buy it in Tomtop. I'm York. I will see you next time. Bye.